What's going on, guys? Just doing an audio review, video review of a blowgun just got delivered today from Amazon. It's a Predator. It's a .40 caliber. Pretty solid construction. I mean, you can see it's a 40-inch. Got some good accuracy. It played with it a little bit. So just going to show it off, see what it can do here. Simple. It's pretty easy to load up. So you see right in that safety, just pop it in. It's tough to try to video do this at the same time, but just so you get an idea. So you see that's a pretty good shot there. Just give you one more. Just load that up. Try get it right in that safety. Alright, let's give this another go.